Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a quick box opening on my watchgang Black membership watch for April. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing my D1 Milano Ultra Thin. This also was a watchgang Black membership watch quite some time ago. I still love this one. It's just simple, plain, clean, super thin, and has kind of a retro vibe to it. I really dig this one. Now, if you're not familiar with Watchgang, it is a monthly subscription company for watches. They have multiple tier levels, as well as wheel spins and flash sales and all kinds of fun ways to actually get watches. The only subscription level I still do is the Black tier, which is the $99 tier level. Looks like we've got a card going over the perks. Any questions? Let's see what we got. Also, guys, if you're looking to save some money or sign up for Watchgang, in the links below, I will have a link for Watchgang, some promo codes or discount codes for Spinnaker, Ballast, and Aviate. And if you're into old cars, check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. My brother and I are always trying to keep some old cars on the road. All right, Cadola, not one I have heard before. Looks like we've got our warranty card and instruction booklet. And let's take a look at what we've got. Wow, my lighting almost made it look rose gold or something for a second. Or it does have, man, hold on. Might get some glare, but it has a weird, nope, just stainless. For whatever reason, a combination of the dial color and the way the reflection from like my Hot Wheels and everything else was hitting it made it look like it was almost a tinted case design. Fairly standard layout on the dial. I think this is probably using a movement similar to the last couple Watchgang watches I've received, just because of the dial layout. There is the model number for this one, Cadola. All right, let me turn that light back a little bit and take a little of the glare off. Looks like it's 100-meter water resistant, stainless steel, quartz movement. I actually like the case design on this one. The color's a little bit interesting. Not one that I have. I don't think I have anything with that style colored dial. Let's go ahead and throw it on wrist really quick so you can get an idea on what this one actually looks like on my roughly 7-inch wrist. Pretty nice leather strap there. Looks like on my 7-inch wrist, I got 4 holes left in the strap. I could probably go one tighter, but I like a little bit loose there. I do like the blue detail on the second hand ticking away. Not too bad. Looks like we've got a month, day, and 24-hour sub-dial, date window. Kind of like it. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.